Hey, welcome to Performance Vacuum, your source, Central Colorado, for just about anything vacuum related. Probably purchased one of these nozzles if you're watching this video, either an ET-2 or an ET-1. The operation is the same, it's only the width in terms of the difference, though the ET-2 is almost exclusively sold for central vacuums. So we're going to do most of our demonstration on the black nozzle today. We're going to start by going over the controls of the nozzle. It's very simple. You have a height adjustment. I'll show you how to adjust that a little later on in the video, but it's 1 through 4, 4 being the highest, 1 being the lowest. Typically 1's for hard floor, not for use on carpet. You have a caution light, and then we have the brush roller on-off. This is used to switch it between hard floor and carpet. As you can see, it's meant to be used by your foot, so use your dominant foot and just step on it. Green is for carpet, orange is for hard floor. The caution light is red. It flashes red. Flashes red when there's been a jam and can be reset by simply pulling the object out and power cycling the vacuum. The next thing the caution light will do involves the height adjustment. If you have the head too far off the carpet, it will also turn red, sometimes flashing. Now I want to show you how to adjust it to your carpet. We have here a medium pile carpet, and then over here we have a high pile carpet or a soft carpet. And the padding behind the carpet makes as much of a difference in terms of adjustment as the carpet itself. So keep in mind, a carpet might look relatively low pile, but because it has a cushy pad, it might be actually deeper than expected. As you can see when I touch it with my hand, how deep that goes. Now, we're gonna always start off at the highest setting until you memorize what setting works for your house. And you can see we have nothing. We've lowered it. Let's go one more. And now we can see that the carpet was agitating properly. You saw the stuff just start to fly and work its way in there. Now, if we set it too low, you notice I set it too low and nothing was really working its way in the nozzle. So you want to listen to it and feel it and find that magical happy spot. I happen to know that this rug is a 2. Now this one next to it this one is a 3. And when you push the nozzle, you can feel the weight in your hand start to lift and the machine start to move and glide forward. So I can tell this is a 3. And I don't know if it comes out on the microphone, but you can definitely tell by listening to it as well. Now your nozzle has some great features when it comes to maintenance. On the bottom side here, we have a button. And you'll notice we can push that button with our thumb. There's some arrows right there, and that's just going to rotate. And this is just going to pop off. You can see the shape of the cam there. You just want to keep this clean. Using the vacuum to keep this part clean is an excellent idea. And keep this clean in here. So you give it kind of a twist, and the whole brush roller comes out. Now you can cut with scissors any hair or anything built up on this. This brush roller is top rack, dishwasher safe if you need to sanitize it for some reason. Now I want to mention that the blue brush roller currently is their stiffer brush roller. If for some reason you have a softer style of carpet or area rugs, you might want to switch to the soft style roller. This provides a little less agitation and sometimes makes the nozzle easier to push. We have this available in stock. Come see us or give us a call if you feel you need a soft roller. Reassembly is really simple. We're just going to insert the roller. And you notice I'm wiggling while I insert. And then I personally like to pinch the bristles to manipulate the roller up and down into the cap Once it's in, you notice the cap is flush. Now we can lock it back. The other thing that's down here you might need to get to is there is a clean out door. You suck up something big, whole Christmas tree, sock, something like that, you can clean it out without disassembling it. In fact, there is no reason for you as the customer to disassemble this nozzle. Well, I hope this explanation of how to use your Sebo nozzle, whether it's on the end of a brand new canister vacuum or on a central vacuum, I hope this has helped you understand what all the controls are. If you have any additional questions, just give us a ring. All of our contact information will be in the description of this video. Also, hit that subscribe button. That helps spread this as well. Thank you.